What's up, everybody? What's really good? Today we got a quick review. We're seeing if FlexTape really works. This is the clear version. Show these people the window here. This one I'm going to be demonstrating it on. Yesterday it was kind of cold. I put the top down of this Mazda Miata, and it's almost winter time, so it was kind of brittle and just cracked. The whole window cracked. So right now I'm going to try to repair this, and we're going to test it out after I put this on, and we're going to see how it holds up. We're going to open this up and look at the roll. Don't worry, I'm not littering. We have a cleanup crew that's going to pick that up. It's pretty sticky stuff. Alright, there we go. And on the packaging, you can see Paul Swift, the creator of FlexTape. Let's just hope he's as honest as he seems in the commercials. This is what the tape looks like. It's like real thick rubber. It's pretty sticky, so I think it's going to stick pretty well. I'm going to go ahead and cut out the amount I need and place it on the window. Alright, there's the tape. There we go. It's cut out, and I'm just going to go ahead and stick it on. Let's see, about right there. There we go. And it's pretty thick. And I'm going to put another piece here, and probably on the inside as well.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so look how the repair is coming along. It's coming out really nice. This stuff is pretty good stuff. FlexSeal tape. We've tried FlexSeal on other stuff before, just the spray, but this is actually really good. This is a good fix for your convertible top if you need to, if you're kind of in a jam.
Alright, so now all the tape is on. We're going to go ahead and test it out. I got a jug of water here. Let's see. It looks like it's sealed up nice. Let's check on the inside. I'm going to pour some more water. Alright, so after the water test, we went and looked inside. A little bit of water did get through, so what we're going to try now, we're doubling up on the tape. We're putting some on the inside too, since this is cracked. And there's two sides to the crack, so some of the water might have gotten in through here. And yeah, we're gonna double it up, and then we're gonna try it again, and we'll show you how it looks. See that? There's no water dripping in. Oh wait, look. There's still a tiny bit of water coming in. It's from this bottom piece here. So, I guess that concludes the test and review. This stuff, it kind of works, but it seems you gotta have it like completely sealed, like perfectly. Look how much tape this is, but there's still like some water getting through. It's dripping out a tiny bit, but I guess it's not too bad. If it rained and I didn't do anything about the leak, then the whole car would get like flooded out, you know. But yeah, that's today's review on this product. I'd give it probably a 3 out of 5, just because how much of it you have to use, and it's not really like invisible. It's pretty noticeable on like stuff like this. So yeah, and I'm sure it'll get yellow and stuff in time once the sun and dirt and stuff gets in there. That's something else to be cautious about. But yeah, I guess 3 out of 5 is fair.